There is a very there is a very unusual anomaly in terms of traders or in between traders. You know what is that? You tend to book profit when the profit is very less, and you tend to book loss even if the loss is very high. Many of the traders would have gone through this phase, and this is what happened today. See, one of my subscribers messaged me. He lost more than around how much? Maybe more than 2 lakh, maybe 2 or 2.25 lakh. Now, how he lost is that he has sold 22,100 call option maybe yesterday or today morning. Maybe yesterday he has sold, and it has gone to around maybe 200 plus. And maybe if he is saying around 2 lakh loss, maybe he would have sold around 20 lots, right? So this is why I am always saying, don't go for naked call option, don't sell naked call option. It doesn't mean when you sell call option, see, when we say call option is safe rather than buying option, it doesn't mean it will be you are protected. Inherently, option selling is more riskier than option buying. If you are buying some option, the premium, you are going to lose the entire premium only. But when you sell a call option or put option, the losses are unlimited. So that's why we always say be cautious, and this is what happens if you are believing that it will reverse. It will. We cannot say anything, and look at the charts. The way this market is behaving, and I really don't know what is the reason why the market has gone so much. Today alone, Nifty has gone up around, at the highest it was maybe around 400 points, 380 points, and I am really confused, or I am really I am searching all over the web what is happening, why market is going on the higher side in spite of all this negative news, like China, US tariff war, so on and so forth. We really don't know. Maybe today FIIs and DIIs have bought together, or there is any positive news. Still now I really don't know what is the positive news. If you really know what is the positive news, maybe let me know on the comment section below. Tomorrow is if today is a normal day and tomorrow is expiry. On a normal day, when India VIX is around 13 or 14, they are moving the market like this. Imagine what is going to happen for tomorrow, which is going to be a nifty expiry. So be cautious and trade carefully. Now, if you ask me what is happening in terms of your trade, let me tell you, this is our trades. As you can see, we are in a profit of around 30k. In that, we are net realized, we have booked some losses around 15,000. So total PNL is around, let's say around 14,600. And this is our trade terminal. You can see we are in a profit of around maybe 29,500 or something like that, right? So this is why we always say, please hedge your position. Don't trade without hedging. Proper hedging, you need a knowledge of proper hedging, and you need to know how to trade in spite of market moving. See, yesterday we saw a gap up, gap down, market came down. Today we saw a flat opening, market moving 400 points. So two-way, three-way move is happening. In spite of all this, we are profitable. I'm not saying I know everything, but we have put lot of time in terms of developing strategy, in terms of seeing how to reduce our losses. Not only we, even people in our mentorship program are in profit. So in terms of that, there is a webinar on 30th of March, which is end of this month. It is going to be on Sunday, for which the link is on the description below. We will discuss about the strategies. We will discuss how to make a risk management, how to mitigate losses, how to make a strategy near zero loss. I wouldn't say zero loss, almost zero loss we can make. So we have strategies for that. We have themes for that. We have metrics for that. So if you are interested, you can join. I will leave the link in the description below. You are also going to get access to 65 plus option strategies plus adjustment, which is in our knowledge base in our website, plus access to our discussion forum where around 450 people are having, and we are having, in fact, we are having really good traders in that forum. So you are going to get a lot of insight. So coming back to the markets, as I told you, we really don't know what is happening in terms of market, why the market is going on the higher side. Now, as I told you, it has already moved significantly. Now, where can the market go? That is the main question, right? If you are telling so many things, you must be knowing where the market goes, right? Maybe market, if this trend continues or there is a reversal, market trend has reversed. Actually, yesterday, in our telegram group there is a person called Mr. Balaji. I am not telling, I didn't ask permission from him. Yesterday itself he told there is a negative divergence, there is a divergence, and there is every possibility that the market will go on the higher side. That's why we are saying all this. You have to see, we have built a community, we have built everything for traders, for retail traders, to help retail traders. If you want, you can join, right? So he told there is a divergence and there is every possibility that the market may go on the higher side. And as he told, market has rallied around from around 22,300 to around maybe 23,000, 22,400. And if everything is okay, if markets are US markets are really good, and if Trump is not talking about India, right? He is only talking about Canada, Mexico, and China. Imagine what happens if he is talking about India. Let's say he is going to put a tariff on imported. We are not importing vehicles from US. Let's say, for example, he is saying there is import duty on something from US market. Then we are going to be in big trouble. And if I am right, whatever happening is because he has not told anything about the Indian tariff, or he has not talked briefly about Indian tariff regime or reciprocal tax to India. So far he is talking about Canada, in China, Mexico, but he has not he has not told anything specifically about India, right? So in terms of that, maybe market is rallying. So we'll see what happens. But as of now, what I can say is that whatsoever, this 22,000 is not going to be taken anytime soon, maybe even in this series, because we can now understand that after long time, maybe around 4 or 5 trading session, we are seeing Nifty forming a bottom at around 22,000. So you can imagine that 22,000 is a very, very strong support. Now, if you ask me, can we sell put option below 22,000? We really don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Or you can, of course, you can sell put option below 22,000 if you have caliber, if you believe that the market will go on the higher side, you can do. See, for us, we don't directional play, we have stopped, right? Because when we take a directional play, the probability of the market moving on the opposite side is very, very high. So we have stopped taking directional play. If you want, you can sell 22,000 put option. Of course, there is a disclaimer. You will have to do it at your own risk and responsibility. Don't do this mistakes of selling naked call option or naked put option. Make sure you hedge your position, at least for margin benefit, so that if market moves violently in one day, market is moving 400 points, then you can imagine how much people, whoever was short in the market, would have booked heavy losses in this market, right? So this is how market is reacting. And I really don't know what is the news in terms of in terms of market. I am looking all over the place and I am not able to see what is the positive news, right? So if there is really positive news, imagine what might happen. Or if there is really a negative news, all this thing is happening just because of anticipation, just because of rumors, just because of some hypothesis, right? If there is really a message in terms of US tariffs on India, if there is really a negative news, then you can see how much bleeding or how much market will come on the downside. Anyway, market has corrected 15%, and you cannot expect the market to keep going on the downside, right? Another 2% or 3%, you cannot expect. 5 months already it's been selling, FII has been selling in left, right and center, and market has corrected around 15%. You cannot expect to correct it more. But at the same time, are we in the has the trend reversed from bear market to bull market? We'll have to wait and see. Right now, if you ask me, is this the right time to go long? We should have to wait and see. As I told you, things, when something happens, something hit you, it will take time for the markets to recover. Maybe this is a fake manipulation by FIIs. We'll have to see the FIA data, let the FIA data come out, and we will see what happens, whether they are net buyers or net sellers. Of course, they would be net buyers, because without FIA's support, market cannot move 350 points or 370 points. It's absolutely impossible for the markets to move like this. So we'll have to wait and see if the market will this rally sustain is the main question here. If it is not sustaining, as I told you, this is a rise on sell market. So every rise is a shorting opportunity. Maybe FIIs will see this as a shorting opportunity. We really don't know. We'll have to wait and see how things work out, right? So let's see how things work out. As of now, there is no news in terms of whether it is US Federal Reserve or whether any news. I've not seen any positive news in the market. So I can assume, even today morning, people were joking in our Telegram group, and I told I still believe this is a manipulation. So I believe this is a manipulation. So the conclusion is, we will not be long in this market. Even if we are long or short, doesn't matter. But if you are a trader, directional trader, if you want to be long in this market, I wouldn't be long in this market. I will wait for some more time. I will, because the rally, one day 400 rally, 400 points or 350 points rally in the market is not it's kind of skeptical, right? So we will have to wait for a little retracement. Then we will see whether the market is taking this whatever high made today, 22,400 or not. Then we can go and buy the market or go long in the market. If you are short in the market, wait and see what happens. If the market is trying to breach around 22,200 or lower, then you can sell. Otherwise, it is going to be a consolidating market only. So tomorrow is expiry. As I told you, be careful, trade carefully, be cautious. Don't trade naked option. Hedge your position so that you are safe in case there is any erratic movement like this. Whatever happened today, you will be safe and you will be protected. Hedge your position, at least for margin benefits. I'll end this video here. I'll see you in yet another video. Till then, take care. Bye.